warm welcome to TAPME. On this induction day of the 28th batch of postgraduate diploma program in management, I also take this opportunity to congratulate the chosen 120 of you who could make to our program. We are happy that yesterday the All India Council of Technical Education has also approved another 60 seats for TAPME. So another batch of 60 students will be joining the program in another 2 weeks of time. For each of you, today marks a very important day in your life. For last so many months, I know that most of you had a very grueling time going through the rigor of the CAT, competing with 300,000 others, then attending several interviews, tests, etc. And finally, you are made to one of the top institutions in the country. Now, this entering into TAPME is one thing, completing the course and being a great manager is another thing. For that, we are starting a journey today. A different journey from what you have done in your undergrad. Major difference between an undergrad program and a postgraduate program, especially in management, comes from different aspects. First and foremost, this may be the only postgraduate program where you have students from various disciplines. There is a doctor, there is a dentist, there are quite a few engineers, chartered accountants, commerce experts, historians, and even literature graduates in the same class. With such a diverse background, the learning models are very different from what you have undergone during your undergrad studies. The classrooms are more of facilitatory nature, where the teacher or the instructor, I think we should not even use the word teacher here, it's more of a facilitator who try to bring you the different perspectives, the perspectives coming from the different knowledge you have acquired during your graduation days. Because at the end, when you are solving the real management problems, what really stands to make a good manager from a may not be so good manager is the way he can understand the different stakeholders and their perspectives. Now this 2-week orientation is basically for that. The 2-week orientation which is starting today, we'd like to do some unlearning of the models which you have done in your undergrad education, maybe in engineering or in commerce, where more or less we were focusing what we generally know as the reductionist model, solving a problem by parts. From that, we try to take you to looking at the larger picture in the days to come. And all this depends to a large extent how well you are prepared for that. In the various faculty members who will be addressing you in the induction program will be taking you on that. I don't want to spend time on this. But one thing which I wanted to stress at this point is that a management program is different in many aspects. One of them which I have said. The second is that it also treats you as adults. It treats you as people who have the onus of learning is on themselves itself. It is not that somebody will force concepts on you. Somebody will ask you to write examinations. You can leave these portals of this institute or you can leave in these portals of institute without saying that, okay, I'm not going to learn anything, I'm not going to study anything. It's possible. But you may not leave that, that's a different story. But you can also learn much more than what has been discussed in the class. You can also learn a lot from the peers in the days to come. Now, having said this, it's important for us to understand a bit more about the institution which we are studying. This institute, as you know, is 25 years old. In fact, we have celebrated 25 years last year. And set up by one of the visionary leaders who played a crucial role in developing Manipal as one of the major education towns in the country. Now, just to give you an idea about this, if you look at some of the rankings of business schools, the latest one which has come, TAPME could be the only school in the top 25 which is from a non-metro city. So if you can think about developing a large, well-known institution from a non-metro city, developing a well-known medical college from a non-metro city, a well-known engineering institution from a non-metro city, there is definitely actors, some few visionary leaders behind that. We had two people who have done the whole transformation of Manipal. First was Dr. T.M.A. Pai, long back in 1960s, converted this village hamlet into one of the finest university towns in the country. Then later, his nephew, who actually set up this institute, Dr. T.F.I., was also the Union Minister for Heavy Engineering and Industries at various periods of time, who also was instrumental in many other institutions.